to hear the riddle.
So here's the riddle. Come take a look.
A look at what?
At this picture. What do you see?
Ah, these are antlers.
That's right. But which animal do they belong to?
Come on, that's such an easy riddle.
If it's so easy, then what's the answer?
They don't belong to us. They probably belong to a fox.
These aren't the antlers of a fox. A fox doesn't even have antlers.
So who do these antlers belong to? Are they mine? Maybe these are my antlers. Can they be mine?
That's so funny. A dog with antlers.
Wow, it would be nice if I had antlers.
I know. These are the antlers of a giraffe.
Does a giraffe have such antlers?
Of course these aren't a giraffe's antlers.
So who do these antlers belong to?
Who?
These are the antlers of a deer.
Of course, a deer.
The antlers of a deer, of course, I knew it.
That's wonderful. Now we all know who these antlers belong to.
A deer! A deer!
It's time to go home, guys. Thank you for the riddle, Grandma. Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.
See you soon.